than 33 crore gods in India, India never shies away from constructing a temple. As we speak, we can be sure that at least 1,000 temples are being constructed right this minute. So today on Simply Curious, we are listing out the weirdest temples in India. Before we get on to the list, let's take a look at the temples which just missed their chance of being in the top 5. Aeroplane Temple. Sant Baba Nihal Singh Gurudwara Temple in Punjab's Doaba region is also known as the Aeroplane Temple. People believe that if you present a model aeroplane, you will be blessed with an opportunity to settle abroad. The Sonia Gandhi Temple. Surprising as it may seem, there is actually a temple dedicated to Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. Number 5. Superstars Temple. Amitabh Bachchan is a superstar in Bollywood, and though he has a massive fan following who think he's a superlative actor and performer, some consider him as God. When you visit this unique temple of Amitabh Bachchan in Kolkata, you will be received with a shawl that says Har Har Amitabh and Jai Shri Amitabh printed all over and with the same chant. Number 4. The Dog Temple at Channapatna, Karnataka. A community in Channapatna's Ramnagar district has erected a rather unusual temple in honor of man's best friend. Pujas are conducted seeking blessings of the dog god. According to locals, the dog is considered good-natured and loyal, but at times he is also formidable. This dog god is believed to work alongside the village deity. Number 3. The Visa God of Chilkur, Hyderabad. Troubled by your endless attempts at getting a US visa? Not to worry. Get to the Balaji Temple in Chilkur, Hyderabad, and Lord Balaji will grant you one. Be it the poor or the elite, every person can be spotted here bowing before the Visa God and begging for a visa. But that's not the queer part. The fact that they soon end up getting one is. And this has landed the temple in the list of mysterious places in India. At second place is the holy rat-infested Karni Mata Temple at Deshnok, Rajasthan. The Karni Mata Temple is one of the most holy sanctums, but little do people know that it is also one of the most mysterious places in India. The temple is home to over 20,000 rats. Revolting as it may sound, one is not allowed to hurt or even scare them away. These rats or kabbas, as they are called there, are considered to be highly auspicious, are worshipped and safeguarded, which is why they hold more value than humans visiting the shrine. The rats are believed to be the reincarnated relatives and family members of Karni Mata. In fact, the rare white mice at the place are considered to be her sons. Topping our list today is the motorcycle god, Bullet Baba Shrine, Bandai, Rajasthan. If there is any place in the world where you could come across a shrine where flowers and liquor bottles are offered to a motorcycle, it has to be India. At Bandai, Jodhpur, Om Singh Rathore died when he crashed his bullet into a tree while riding drunk. The police claimed the bike and took it to the station. The next day, the bike was found at the spot of the accident. They brought it back to the station, emptied the fuel tank, and chained it. Yet the bike miraculously found its way back to the accident spot the next day. The motorcycle was moved permanently to the location, and the Bullet Baba Shrine was erected. Every day, many passers-by come to offer their prayers. The spirit of Om Baba is believed to protect travelers. Hope you liked this top 5. If you did, press the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if possible, do share your thoughts in the comment section.